In today's video, I'll show you how you can add text shake effect in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and from here we just need to create our text first. So let's call it shake it now. And then from here is that you can make changes into your text here in Essential Graphics. If you don't have this, you can go into Window and then make sure Essential Graphics is checked. And from here, I'm just going to change the font into this one right here. And I'm going to increase it, and then I'm going to make it centered. And now once you're satisfied with your text, is that you want to go into the Effects tab. If you don't have this again, you want to go into Window and make sure Effects is checked. And now you would want to go into Transform Effect. And from here, you want to search for this one, drag it into your text. Now, in here is that you just simply need to position your playhead here at the beginning of your text. And then here in the transform under effect controls, you want to go for skew, and then you want to set it into 4. So you would now have this. And from here, you want to go keyframe the skew axis right here. So here at the beginning, we'll be at 0, and then at the end of your text, depending on how long it is, you can go for a very large amount right here. Let's say I'm going to go for 40x right here. And then you would want to go for this one right there. So remember that the higher the value in here, then the faster the shake will be, or the more violent it will be. Also, it would depend on the distance on your keyframes right here on how long it is. So now when we play it, we will now have this. So that's it. And if you would want to add motion blur, is that you would want to go and uncheck this one and then set your shutter angle to 360. And this way we will now have that nice blur effect, or like it's really shaking. So that's it on how you'd be able to do it right here in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.